In today's video, I'll teach you how you can compute your ROI in our planet, and I'm going to show you what type of metrics you need to know, what type of websites that you need to open, and how you can calculate everything inside our planet. So the first thing that you need to do here is, of course, open this website right here. It is our calculator. It is being updated daily, hourly, based on what the error price is. So as you can see here, if you are having 500 mining power, you're just getting around $50 monthly, which is not really bad at all. So I'm just going to show to you an example, and as you can see here, this one is being sold for $63 for 145 watts. So what you need to do here is, of course, click this one, and as you can see here, this number into the top section of the card, this is the error per hour that you can get. So as you can see here into the screen, it is 150 error per hour. So what you just need to do here is, of course, just copy the error per hour inside your R calculator. So what you need to do, just type it and then just click the go button. So as you can see here, you're getting $15 monthly for this rig. So what do I mean by that? The next thing that you need to do is, of course, open a calculator. Okay, so make sure you reset it. Okay, copy this price right here, this $63.37. Okay, and then copy what you've got inside the R calculator, which is $15. Okay, so as you can see here, you're getting 4-month ROI on this one, probably 4 months and 1 week to get your ROI inside the R planet. So just take in mind, okay, if you're going to buy inside Atomic Hub, do not buy from rigs and rigs too. It is because all of these prices here are pretty much expensive. If you're gonna go into rigs 3, as you can see here, the price here are pretty much lower than the rigs 2 and the 3 the original rig. So as you can see here, you're getting $150 error per hour just for paying $63. As you can see here, you're getting 150 by paying $83. So that's pretty much a bad deal for you. So just make sure that you're checking the rigs, okay, and of course you actually want to check, okay, the error per hour. You also want to check, okay, if what are the better deals. So it's really easy for you to check it. Just click the price into lowest. So when you click this one, okay, automatically you will get the lowest, the cheapest rig that you could probably buy right now, okay, live into this video. So if you're not sure about the price of the wax here, as you can see, it is 63.5. You can always go into this crypto.com currency converter. So as you can see here, we do have 445 wax here, and what you just need to do here is, of course, just type it. As you can see, it is 62 and here it is 63. So that's pretty much a comparison so that you can see it. So that is it for this video, guys. That's how you compute your ROI. Always make sure as well, if you want to check how much per hour you're getting, you just want to double check, okay. What you just need to do here is to copy the asset ID on this one. So as you can see, there is an ID here. This is the ID, okay. So what you're going to do here is, of course, paste it inside this one, into this one, to this blank, okay, and select atomic asset as an asset type. So just check the state rate, okay. As you can see here, it is 150 error per hour, which is the same on what it is being printed on this one. So this one is correct, this is accurate. So for you, of course, if you want to create your elements, you can always go here, okay? And this is the recipes that you could probably do. So you just build it one by one. So you can just start with this one, or because I mean I think this is pretty much a lot more better if you're going to build it one by one, because every prices of our planet inside Atomic Hub is pretty much expensive and not that worth it. So it's not really that worth it, but you're getting a pretty much uh, slower ROI on Atomic Hub, and that is the reason why the rig sale was is really really important, because you're just paying $30 for more than 1,000 ADA per hour, and 1,000 ADA per hour is giving you $100 per month. So that's the difference here. You're just going to get around 10% 10-day ROI on that one. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video right here. I'm still staking at our planet. I do have some NFTs on Alien Words that doesn't have any value at all. I do have a lot of NFTs in Dark Country. I do have NFTs as well in Colobox, which I get for free. And I see you on the next video.